Nifty Dugan here. Today we're going to take a look at the Zippers 124 sleeper kit on this bike. It's got the Zippers RS 468 cam, Fuel Moto exhaust, Fuel Moto head pipe, Fuel Moto jackpots. This is a badass bike. It really is. I can't wait to hear it. All right, pizza review time, right? This is muffler review. One brap, everybody knows the rules. Hold on, let me turn the... Okay, let's see what it looks like. 56 ambient sound. I love the way that sounds, man. All right, so at idle, we're at about 80. Okay, let it rip. 113. Of course, everybody else is pulling in. Awesome. That's it. Sign it off. Talk to you later. There goes the helmet.